Would you like to know how to make excellent grape juice? Please watch our entire video to find out how.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. Well, today we are going to make grape juice. We have got a half a kilo of grapes from the market and we wanted to make a juice out of that, and we will show you how tasty and very delicious it gets. So let's move on to making our grape juice, and let's start with the ingredients.
We have got around 500 grams of grapes over here, and now we are going to make a simple recipe where we are going to make some juice out of these grapes. Now to make the grape juice, we have taken a saucepan. Now we drop in the grapes. Next we pour 20 ml of water and ensure that the grapes are submerged in the water. The next step is to light a stove and wait for our grapes to boil. Now our grapes are boiling. We need to boil it for at least a minimum of 3 minutes or 3 to 4 minutes. Let it continuously boil. Our grapes are boiled and we need to stir it a bit and let it cool for some time before we start with the next step. In the meantime, we need to switch off our stove. We switched off our stove now, and let us keep our grapes aside for cooling. Now our grapes that we have boiled just now is cooled down, and next we are going to transfer it to a mixie bowl where we are going to extract the juice. We transfer all the grapes into the mixie bowl. For the flavor, we are adding a few mint leaves. So this would give a different taste to our grape juice. Next we shut our mixie. We close our mixie bowl. Now we have crushed our grapes, and next step is to strain it in a clean bowl. Now we pour the grape juice or the grape pulp into the bowl using a strainer. We strain all the sediments that comes out of the bowl. Now our strained grape juice is here. Next we add sugar as per your requirement. See, over here we do not have much sugar, so please add sugar based on your requirement. Next step, we refrigerate this juice, and then we can have a delicious grape juice. Now our grape juice is ready to be served, and you can serve it chilled. Please do try out our recipe at home and let us know in the comment section below. This will really help us. We hope you liked watching our videos, and we request you to like, share and comment on them if you found our video really useful as well as informative. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon for further notifications. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye-bye.